Hi there! Here's Lava's first smartwatch, which they call ProWatch. Now Lava has made sure that it takes everything when it comes to build quality, features in a budget price. Firstly, a high resolution AMOLED display, the all metal build, the much loved always on mode. Then you get Bluetooth phone calling feature. Then there's health monitoring and tons of sports modes. But still, there is one feature that I feel is missing. We'll talk about it further in this video, but first, let's start with a super fun unboxing. So here is the special box packaging of the Lava Pro watch. Check this out, Tough Hair Pro, so cool. Now as you open it up, wow, here is the watch inside. Now if you did observe, this is actually a light. Yes, it's actually a light in this box, which if you press this button, you can see it turns on and off. Really love the special box packaging that has been provided. Amazing. So right in the center is the watch itself, ProWatch. You can see the image of the watch. You can see some of its features, Corning Gorilla Glass 5, QR code for the companion app, some key specifications which we shall cover in this video, manufacturing details, and the MRP of 4,999. Alright, without further ado, let's quickly open it up. And there you go. So right on the top is the watch itself. Then we have this box here. Alright, inside here you have this card, which is basically where you have to scan the QR code to access the manual. Really smart and simple. And here I think are some stickers. Wow, lots of them. So here is Love with the ProWatch, Discover with ProWatch, Adventure with ProWatch, The Funky with ProWatch, Make Your Move with ProWatch. Oh, these are really cute and good looking stickers. And finally, the Pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. So it provides a pretty good grip and it won't snap off easily. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch, but first we'll get rid of the screen protector. There you go. Wow, this watch looks so premium. Now the first thing you need to know is that the frame, the body of this watch is made of zinc alloy. It's a fully metal body which gives the watch a very premium feel. Also, see how thin the body is. Amazing. Now it does have a little glossy texture to it, but still doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. On this side you can spot there are two buttons. The top one is actually a rotating crown. We'll see how it works after we set it up. Coming to the straps, very good quality straps. You can see the textured design on it. It's a buckle design and you can spot the ProWatch branding on the buckle. Very nice. Moving towards the back, now the back is made of plastic, but it houses the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals here. Now the straps are 22 mm and can be replaced with any third-party bands. Simply pull this hook mechanism to release. It's really simple. So if you want any color straps, any metal straps, you can change them super easily. There you go. Looks really nice. I must say, the watch looks truly premium. The Lava Pro watch comes with IP68 rating, so it's dust and water resistant. You can wear it at the gym during your workout, you can wear it for a run, you can wear it in the rain. In fact, you can even wear this watch in the pool as it comes with swim tracking on board. So cool. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. Now as you press this button, the display will wake up. You press this button, the display will turn off. Now this is a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. That's 326 pixels per inch. Super high resolution display, which is why even the smallest text is super clearly visible. Now obviously AMOLED display, vibrant colors, pitch perfect deep blacks, and of course if you want to change watch faces, you can use this dial. Just rotate this dial and the pre-installed watch faces can be switched. So smooth and so easy to change. Of course you can still install more from the app, which we'll show you further in this video. The other good thing is that you get Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the front screen, so it won't get scratched very easily, which is really good. It's really strong and sturdy. Lava claims 600 nits of peak brightness. We briefly tested it outdoors, check that out, and the display is very clearly visible. Let's have a quick look at the interface. So swipe right, you can access your daily activity, the heart rate, you can track your sleep, you have your SpO2, the weather, you can control the music that's playing on your phone, then you can also use your voice assistant, and you're back to the home page. Swipe from up to access the quick toggles. You can access the settings. You can increase, decrease the brightness directly from here. Check that out. Then of course you can also toggle on and off, raise the wrist to wake the display. You can put it to sleep mode, find my phone. This is to toggle on and off phone calling. Then if you swipe right, you can access the menu. Let's go all the way down. So you have activity data, you have workout. By the way, you can also rotate using this crown and it's really smooth. So you have workout records, voice assistant, heart rate, blood pressure, sleep tracking, music player to control the music that's playing on your phone. You can make phone calls. Of course, you can also receive phone calls. You can use this app. Then you have the alarm clock. Let's check out the alarm clock. Now the good thing is you can actually set the alarm directly from your watch, which I find very, very convenient. And of course, you can use the back gesture to go back. Then you have stopwatch, you have the timer, you have stress tracking, you have the breathe app, weather, you have menstrual cycle tracking for women, you have flashlight, you can see your notifications and missed calls and messages, find phone, you have the camera shutter. Oh, there are games too. Let's have a quick look. So you have 2048, you have jigsaw puzzle. You can of course keep playing these games, but remember, playing games on the watch will drain the battery a lot faster. Oh, by the way, there's also a racing game. So basically you can even play racing game on your watch if you're getting bored. Then you have discoloration. There are lots of games here. Wow. Okay, then you also have the calculator app, which I believe is always very handy. You want to do that quick calculation. Then you have settings, then your watch faces, menu style. You can change it from list style to 9 grid style. Then you can adjust the brightness from here. Screen time. Yes, this watch also comes with always on mode. So AOD clock, you can turn it off. You can choose a digital clock or an analog clock. Let's check out the digital clock first. So that's the digital clock. You can see the time and it's quite bright, which is really, really good. So even if you're outdoors, you can actually see the time, the date very clearly without turning on the display. Let's check out the analog watch face. Ooh, that's so cool. You can see the hours here. You can see the hand hour. You can see the minute hour. The time is so clearly visible. Looks so classy actually. Loving it. Then of course you can also set the always on time 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Now the idea is that it will not drain your battery. You can quickly turn it off when you don't need it. Then the vibration alert can be adjusted from here. You want to turn it off, you want soft, you want strong. Then you can also see the battery, the QR code for the companion app, about, ringtone settings. So you can choose the ringtone volume, ringtone alarms, for everything can be set, which is really good. Usually we have just the same ringtone for all the notifications. So you can actually set that from here. Then restart, reset and shut down. Now this is really, really smooth. The interface is really nice, super easy to use. Check that out. Really, really nice. Let's quickly check out phone calling. So to make phone calls from this watch, swipe right, go to the menu, go to the phone app. You'll see the dial pad, you'll see the contact person, you'll see your call records. We just go to dial and randomly dial a number. And there you can see the phone is being dialed. Now the audio that you're hearing right now is from the speaker on the watch. Check out how loud and clear it is. So amazing. You can control the volume from here. You can mute the microphone. You can send this call to the phone and end the call after you're done talking directly from here. So convenient. Similarly, you can also answer incoming calls directly on the smartwatch. There's a vibration alert, there's also a ringtone playing, you can see the caller's name, you can control the volume, you can reject the call, you can answer the call, and you can also reply with a preset SMS, which means, for example, you're in a meeting, sorry, I'll call you later, these preset SMSs are available. So convenient. And of course, you can also answer and talk directly using a smartwatch. You can mute the microphone, you can transfer this call to the phone, you can adjust the volume, and after you're done talking, simply end the call from here. Talking about the call experience, the speakers get loud enough and can be used to be heard outdoors as well as indoors. The mics also do a really good job and they will capture some ambient sound if you're in a noisy environment, so keep outdoor calls short. However, indoors it was crystal clear both ways. The other person had no idea I was using my watch to talk to him. Good job by Lava. Let's quickly talk about the fit and comfort. Well, the straps are soft and very skin friendly. These are 22mm bands and provide an excellent fit. And even though the body is metal, it doesn't feel bulky at all. Looks premium, can be worn for work as well as for your workout. I must add that the raise the wrist to wake the display is also responsive and works really well. Coming to health tracking. So we first tested the heart rate, we got the readings, then we also tested SpO2, there you go. Then we also tested stress tracking. Now always remember, this is a smartwatch. Though reliable, all these health parameter readings are just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to fitness and workouts. So the Lava ProWatch comes with over 110 plus workout modes. The best part is to quick access it, press this button here. one touch, access all your workouts. So you have outdoor walking, you have outdoor run, you have mountaineering, you have outdoor cycling, basketball, badminton, football, elliptical training, yoga, ping pong. Oh, didn't I just say 110, but we can only see about 10 workouts here? Well, that's because you need to add them from the companion app. Now, when you come to the companion app, you'll see an option called sports mode. And here you will see the workouts that are already pre-installed on the watch. Now, if you want to add more, you can see there's a list here. There's training, there's ball workout. Now you can see there's so many more workouts that you can add. Then there's equipment workout. Check that out. Leisure. There is also fighting workout. There is also water workout, and yes, you can add swimming. So let's add swimming and see how it does. Now it's synchronizing. There you go, it's done. Let's check out on the watch. So as you go right down here, you can see the swimming workout is here. So basically you only need to keep the workouts that you use most often, and the rest you can remove, so it's not very confusing. Let's quickly start a workout. And as your workout starts, you can see the duration, you can see the heart rate, you can see the distance, you can see the calories, pace. There's so much here. And of course, if you want to end the workout, you turn left, you can return back or end the workout from here. Coming to the battery. So this ProWatch comes with a 350 mAh battery that will last you for about 6 to 7 days, but that's without Bluetooth calling. If you use that feature, then it will last you for a maximum of 2 to 3 days. The good thing is that the battery charges really quickly in less than an hour. Can't ask for more. Coming to the ProSpot companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see the watch is paired, you can see the battery percentage, you can see the steps, you can see your heart rate, you can see all your health and workout related data, heart rate, distance, and the best part is once you click on it, you can actually see more details of that workout. Then SpO2, your sleep tracking, all your exercise records can be found here. Watch faces, let's quickly check these out. Now there is a huge collection of watch faces that you can download from here. Analog, digital, oh my god. I mean, I can just keep scrolling and you can see so many more options available here. Let's quickly change one and see. I think this looks cool. There you go, the new watch face is set. Then if you come to the second option, you can set your goals, your daily steps, the distance, the calories. You can set your goals accordingly as per your preference. Then if you come to the settings, again you can see the battery percentage, you can come into notifications, you can choose from which apps you want notifications, phone calling, messages, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Skype, Instagram, and of course if you click on others, you'll receive it from all the other apps as well. Then you can set alarm directly from here, which you can actually do from the watch itself. Camera shutter, your favorite contacts can be added here for quick calling. Sports modes, which I just showed you, you can add and remove sports modes that you need. Then there are others. If you go into others, you'll find device. You can change the time format, 12 hours, 24 hours. Do not disturb can be toggled on and off. Continuous heart rate detection can be toggled. Auto lock timer can be set. Raise to wrist to wake the display can be toggled on and off. Call rejection, reset, you can set the weathers. And finally, there's an option to upgrade. If there's a firmware update, it will show up here. Then finally, in accounts, you can see that personal data, you can see account settings. Sadly, I couldn't find any app where it can share data with Google Fit or Strava, where initially I felt you should have had that option, but sadly that update is currently not available. Hopefully with the future update. But overall, I can say that the ProSpot app is super easy to use. Alright, final thoughts. So if I had to pick out the cons, probably the only feature I see is lack of built-in GPS. But that would be nitpicking because Lava has made sure it packs the punch. Stellar metal build, excellent AMOLED display, clear phone calling experience and super smooth user interface. We don't have the price at the time of making this video, but my best guess is $2,999 or a maximum of $3,500. Even at that price, this watch is easily recommended. I'll share the exact price, availability details and the purchase links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.